Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Si and Jono again here at ABR, and we're out with Ducati this morning. And it's a glorious morning again, a little bit overcast, still extraordinarily warm. Si, you are on a V2.
I am on a Multistrada, my first Multistrada, I might add.
And I am on a Hypermotard. Now this feels light and nimble and, yeah, liking it. Oh, and it's got a nice little burble on the overrun. Here we go.
Yep. There's a nice little back end on that motard.
I've been working on it for a while. Oh, the bike. Oh, okay. Nice pickup on this.
Yeah, likewise on this. So we're coming down a little left.
And the quick shifters are very, very nice little touch. Oh, we're getting a little bit of pace on now, which is good. It's really handy, that downshift on this motard. Oh, hello.
That's a Can-Am.
Is that a Can-Am?
That was a Can-Am.
Cool.
Looked like their touring one, which I think is the RT.
Well, I'll let you come back and catch me up so that you can actually see the back of the bike. Sorry, that was it was actually legal road speed limit there, but this thing pulls so quickly. So much torque from low down. Hear the burble from the bike in front of me.
Yeah, well, I mean, you got the Panigale up there.
There's a Diavel, and then
yeah.
I'm not sure what it is that's directly in front of me. Is it a scrambler?
It's a scrambler, yeah.
4-pot exhaust pipe of that Diavel sticking out the side. Looks like a rocket launcher.
How does that motard feel?
Light, nimble, suspension. Actually, it's not soft, but it dives a little bit when you're heavy braking on the front brake, which you'd expect from the amount of travel that you've got. But it doesn't feel unsafe to do so. I mean,
yeah.
I remember a couple of bikes I've ridden in the past where when you get heavy on the front brake, you feel it unstable. It feels a little unstable, but this feels planted, very planted.
Yeah,
the dashboard's really clear, by the way, very, very clear indeed. It's only tiny, it's a little LCD strip, really. Not sure whether if I just duck my head down like that, you'll be able to see it on the camera. There we go. And there is the back end of size V2.
It's a nice bike, this motard. This V2. It's really comfortable. The handlebars are in a really nice position, so it is very easy to tour on. It's a nice display, not a massive display either. There's some bikes I've ridden with huge displays, and this one's probably a bit wider than a mobile phone and a little bit longer than a sort of smaller one.
Yeah. But
it's a nice clear display. Everything you need to see is on there. The time, your fuel. There's a nice view from here of all the Ducatis in front of me as well.
Very much is. And very well organised as well, the Ducati team, giving you instruction as we waited for the bikes to be ready for us to get onto and to come out, explaining the route, what to do if you get lost or if you get separated. Shape of the seat on this Hypermotard, you can slide yourself back along the seat so you've got more space if you need it, or you can pull yourself tight into the tank, sort of motocross styly, and get your knees tight in. Well, that's the end of another fantastic road ride. Completely and utterly worthwhile to go and get booked in when you do something like this. Gives you the opportunity to ride bikes that you wouldn't normally have the ability to go and test ride. So definitely worth doing, making the most of the manufacturers who are here. but you have to be there super early. Your contact at Ducati, I'm fairly sure I heard her this morning say that they were queuing at 6:30 to get on the test rides.